Have you ever felt this? You understand English, you know the words, you know the grammar, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Your heart starts beating fast, your voice disappears. This story is for you, because the boy in this story was just like you. There was a 22-year-old young man named Ryan. Ryan could read English, he could understand English, he could watch English videos, but he could not speak. Whenever someone asked him, "Can you speak in English?" his hands would shake, his heart would race, and he would say, "Sorry, I can't." Inside, he knew he could, but fear was holding him back. One day, Ryan went to a job interview. He understood every question, but when he tried to answer, his voice trembled. He couldn't speak properly. The interview ended, and so did his chance. That night, he sat alone in his room, and he thought, "Am I weak? Will I ever be able to speak?" Later that evening, Ryan was sitting in a park. An old man came and sat beside him. The old man asked, "Why do you look so sad?" Ryan told him everything. The old man smiled and said, "You're not afraid to speak. You are afraid to make mistakes." Then he said something simple. "Every day speak just one sentence, even if it is wrong." Ryan followed that advice. On the first day, he said, "My name is Ryan." On the second day, "I want to improve my English." His sentences were broken. His grammar was not perfect. But he kept going. After 30 days, he could speak. After 60 days, he was confident. After 90 days, he went to another interview. This time, he got the job. Ryan did not change. His fear did. He learned one powerful truth. You do not need to be perfect to speak. You only need the courage to start. If you speak one sentence today, 2 tomorrow, and 3 the next day, one day, you will not be able to stop. If this story touched your heart, subscribe to SpeakSaga. Because here, every story helps you find your voice.